Hello my all dear students. Dear students, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Dear students, as you have seen, we have completed our chapter number 11, and chapter number 11 was thermal properties of matter. So after this thermal properties of matter, today we are going to discuss here your next important chapter, which is thermodynamics. Dear students, here you can see this word thermodynamics have or consist by thermo and dynamics. Thermo means here we can understand as a heat, and dynamics means we have learnt, we can say here motion. So dear students, as you have seen the about of heat and all concept in details about of heat in your previous chapter number 11. So today we are going to start chapter number 12, which is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics means here we can understand the motion of heat and dynamics of heat also we can understand it. Dear students, in previous chapter we have discussed how we can measure the temperature and about of heat energy, and something important concept about of heat and temperature also we can discussed, and the temperature scales are three types also we have told you, and flow of heat transfer we can say. All these topics we have completed in my previous lecture. Dear students, also in previous chapter we have told you if any body is hot, then it radiates energy also we have told you, and due to this hot body, energy possessed by this due to this temperature difference or due to their hotness, this energy is known as thermal energy, and energy which radiates from hot body by electromagnetic wave is known as radiant energy also we have told you. We have introduced by the term thermal energy in my previous lecture. Thermal energy. Dear students, as we have told you, heat is in the form of energy. Heat is energy, and also we have told you from what direction to what direction this heat goes. Heat goes from always higher temperature to lower temperature we have told you. Our heat energy moves due to temperature difference also we have told you, higher to lower temperature. All these things we have told you in previous chapter. Now dear students, uh, before the modern picture of heat, before the modern picture of heat, before the modern picture of heat, this heat energy, as we have told you, when any body is hot, then it radiates energy we have told you. Dear students, it radiates energy by the electromagnetic wave also we can say, we can understand by radiation. So before how this body, this hot body, here we are considering it is hot body, how this hot body radiates energy. Then if we shall talk about the answer of this question, dear students, this energy goes from this body, this hot body, to the surrounding, or we can say in other words to another system, is in the this continuous way, is in this continuous way. according to modern concept is in discontinuous way. Dear students, this hot body radiates energy, thermal energy or heat energy also we can say, in discontinuous way according to modern concept or modern picture. What was the concept about of this heat energy before the modern picture? Before the modern picture of this heat energy flows from this body to surrounding, or this body, this system to another system, is in invisible continue way or invisible fluid. Here it was considered firstly before the modern picture. What is modern picture? Modern picture is heat is in the form of energy, and discontinuous energy also we can say. And but before this modern picture of heat energy, about of this heat energy, before the modern picture, it was considered this heat energy from this hot body to the surrounding, or to the another system. This heat energy goes in continue way, or we can say is in the form of invisible wave or invisible fluid also. It was considered firstly invisible fluid. This heat energy goes from this body to another system or surrounding in the form of invisible fluid. It was considered before the concept of modern picture of this heat energy. So now, dear students, it is our next important concept about of heat. Firstly, it was considered heat energy goes from one body to another body, or one system to another system, is in continue way. But according to modern theory of heat, heat is in the form of energy, or discontinuous energy we can say, and it does not goes from one system to another system, is in the form of continue wave form, or in continuous way. So dear students, now here main focus in this lecture is on the thermodynamics, as we have told you, motion of heat also in other words. Dear students, in example we can understand, when we rub my palms, then we feel heat. How we feel, or we can say why we feel heat and heat when we rub our palm. When we rub our palm, then we feel heat. Dear students, why we are feeling heat in this situation? Because when we rub our palm, then we are doing work, because we are applying force, and we are displacing our palms also. So we can say, in other words, we are doing work. When we are rubbing our palms, then we are doing work. Here if we shall see, uh, uh, according to the concept of science, what energy goes into the converted into what energy, then we can understand it. Here mechanical energy, when we are rubbing our palms, then it may be understand as mechanical way. So here mechanical energy, we are doing mechanical work here. So when we are rubbing our palms, then we are doing work. Here, dear students, mechanical work we can say. Then we feel heat. We are feeling heat, something heat by rubbing of our palms. So here we can understand, here mechanical energy, mechanical heat is also energy. Mechanical energy is converting, mechanical energy is converting into heat energy. when we are rubbing our palms. Dear students, heat energy also may be converted into mechanical energy by some machine. May be also converted into mechanical energy by some machine. Also we can understand this concept. So dear students, as we have told you how we can convert mechanical energy into heat energy, we have told you the example by rubbing off our palms. Now heat energy is what is example of this concept? Example of this concept is heat engine. Heat engine or steam engine also we can say. Dear students, heat engine always converts heat energy into mechanical energy. It doing some work and it converts the heat energy into mechanical energy. Mechanical energy means here we want to say by the use of heat energy we are doing some work. So dear students, in thermodynamics in this chapter we shall discuss about of thermodynamics only on the basis of microscopic level. Dear students, what is means of microscopic level? Microscopic level means, dear students, we shall study all concept only for bulk system or matter. Not a particular molecule of any matter. Not all, or also we can write here, not for a particular molecule of matter. Dear students, here we shall assume any bulk system of any matter. Here if we shall choose any system, then we shall take in bulk. If we shall choose any matter, then also we shall take in bulk form. Not a motion of any particular matter, not a motion of any particular molecule or atom also. Here we shall discuss in case of bulk matter. So dear students, it is a means of microscopic level. Label here also may be categorized. Label one may be macroscopic level and other may be microscopic level. But here in this chapter and in this syllabus also we can understand. Here we are not going to discuss any concept, any explanation on the basis of microscopic level. Only we shall discuss only microscopic level. What is microscopic variable? Microscopic variable we shall discuss in this chapter and we shall use in this chapter only microscopic variables. Microscopic variable means here we can understand pressure, volume, temperature, mass, etc. we can understand all these examples are belongs to the microscopic variable. Here we are not going to discuss or study or explain any concept on the basis of microscopic level. Only we shall discuss in this chapter, and we shall use in this chapter or in this class also only the microscopic variable. So dear students, today it is our introductory lecture of this chapter, thermodynamics. As also in next chapter, which is kinetic theory. Dear students, in kinetic theory also we shall not discuss or we shall not explain any concept on the level of microscopic level or on the level microscopic, but something we shall discuss, we shall explain the velocity and motion of molecules of gases. But in this chapter also, in next chapter also we shall not discuss any concept on according to microscopic level. We shall discuss all concept in this class only. All concept, all details about of this chapter are in thermodynamics. And also your next chapter is kinetic theory, which also related to this heat, temperature and pressure, volume, mass. All these are microscopic variable, and we shall discuss only microscopic level all concept we shall discuss only on microscopic level. We shall not discuss any concept according to microscopic level in this class. So I hope microscopic and microscopic level you can you can do difference between microscopic level and microscopic level. We have told you something microscopic variables. We shall use these variables many times in this chapter, and again also in chapter kinetic theory also we shall use these variables. So dear students, today we are going to stop here, and we shall discuss your next important lecture or your next important topic, thermal equilibrium. So today we are going to stop. Thank you very much.